In today's fast-growing world, trust and commitment is no less than a luxury. Unleashing potential and power in work is a phenomenon that is brought by Meera Brass Products. Established in 1999, the company has developed a strong base in turning parts in the brass industry. Situated in Jamnagar, Gujarat, that's undoubtedly India's brass part hub, is being progressively sailed under the leadership of Mr. Mahesh Ramani, who's the founder with an immense experience since 1999 in the industry. The team is headed by experts who leave no impressions of imperfections and rather support the strong will of the company, as it is done by Mr. Ashwin Ramani, who's the production head, and Mr. Vijay Ramani, who leads the quality control department. Meera Brass Products has specialized in satisfying its customers and fulfilling all its responsibilities in delivering brass components with utmost precision. From manufacturing to exporting brass components, the company has ensured to stand on its pillars of perfection and being determined in its attitude. The products range from brass stop plugs, brass lock nuts, brass reducers, brass enlargers, PPR inserts, brass earthing accessories, lamp parts, brass compression fittings, cable glands and accessories. The main attributes which define the company is its prior commitment to its service. It guarantees a short delivery of the product with analyzing all the competitive prices for the same. The highest quality of the product is manufactured, and thus the company holds a remarkable position and reputation in the industry. Their superiority lies in the way they meticulously focus on the detailing of the manufactured product. Naming a few like spector machine, that's for the chemical composition, thread gauge, which is a testing equipment, and pin gauge, and many more. Meera Brass Products follows ISO 9001-2008 quality standard and is keen on working on the international standards and norms set. The manufacturing processes is even more extensive, done under intensive supervision and clarity. The process begins from purchasing material from a certified vendor, then melting it as per the required grade. The process also includes checking in spectro machine that brings in the test report and making the billet. From the extrusion stage to the final rod, the company adheres to machining as per the customer's requirement, as per the drawing and dia and the ISO standard set. The company then checks the quality of the product by its well-equipped 3D visual inspection machine. The next stage is followed by plating and visual inspection, and later an inspection report is prepared. The product is then packed and dispatched. The manufacturing unit of Meera Brass Products is having number of automatic, semi-automatic machines and manually operated machines which are installed to manufacture a diverse and some of the critical range of brass products. Their principle of maximizing the landscape and developing a progressive unit is what has supported Make in India. They are highly focused on this concept and are truly dedicated in enlarging their production worldwide, and also participated in domestic and international exhibition. Meera Brass Products has explored and ventured into the international markets of Germany, Australia, USA, Canada, UK and Spain. The economy has taken a rise, and the company has made significant contributions to being in the leading group of industrialists. Infrastructure is one thing that sets the company apart from its competitors. With capital assets like special purpose machine, the drop machine and the milling machine and other conventional machine, the company aims at improvising and maximizing its output to optimum level and implementing innovations and discovering new techniques and processes at different stages. Meera Brass Products accepts opportunities that redefines passion and proposals that adapts to various requirements. They accept challenges and define a terminology to effectively and efficiently move beyond success.